Geese, Batman. All these geese. Walking around the corner. I think they're migrating up the road. Migrating up the road. Where are you guys going? Up the road? Follow you? Okay. Let's see where you're all going. They're geese. Oh, they're turkeys. Turkeys. Isn't that cool? Oh, turkeys. Turkey. Turkeys. Are those wild turkeys?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, they sure like that house, huh?
Yeah, it's like a couple times a day they're always around.
Cool. Wow. She said that they come around like every day, a couple times. That many turkeys. We got this wild, these 4 or 5 guys that are like going at it. Anyway, that's so cool. Turkeys, mad turkeys, all wild, right here in Brigham City, in the middle of a blizzard. Turkeys, turkeys, just wallowing up the road, turking it out, just doing turkey stuff, turkeying around, gobble, gobble, gobble. Bye.